welcome back to the channel, Weetzer's Woodshop. So, like I said, I was going to start carving again, and this is going to be my first project of the summer. So, we're going to do a spirit face, and probably a cigar smoking spirit face. So, I had a request by a friend of mine that said, "Hey, can you do this for me?" And I said, I'll give it a shot. So, but that was last summer, so I'm finally getting to it. But what I'm gonna do, because my friend and I like to smoke cigars once in a while, so, and he's got a really nice patio that we can hang out on. But this is one of the pieces that's from the giant Sasquatch and I'll, wherever I put it, I'll put it up so you put a link so you can see that carving also. But yeah, so this is perfect size. It's gonna sit on his outdoor patio, and we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna debark it, and then which it's coming apart pretty easy right now, so yeah, as you can tell, that's awesome. And then we'll go from there, and I'll see what kind of a nice little spirit face I can make. Man, those are some nasty bugs. All right, let's get to this. Well, here it is, my cigar smoking spirit face. So this is a piece of the Sasquatch tree that I carved down south of here. So this is pretty cool. And the neighbor next door wanted their own thing for their own patio. So that's kind of how this worked. But I'm gonna deliver this as soon as it's dry. Probably not today, but maybe sometime this week. And man, I love it. I love these spirit faces. I love how they come out. I love how you can do whatever you want with them. Someday I'll probably put like a, I don't know, maybe a big pipe in there or something like that. Try to carve that, but yeah, none of them come out the same. So the characters are kind of cool, and this is a conglomeration of a whole bunch of different faces together. So kind of copied a gnome head and some Sasquatch eyebrows. Could have made the nose a little bigger. That would have been kind of cool, but you know, you learn as you go sometimes. So, and this one came out a lot better than I even expected it to. So I gotta get my confidence back. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for the comments. I appreciate everybody that does this. So let's keep this channel going. This summer I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. So stand by. And then stand by, I'm gonna have some merch here pretty soon. So family's already got some of it. We got some sweatshirts out there. I'm gonna do some t-shirts and hats, and we'll see what we can do from there. But there it is, Mr. Cigar Smoking Spirit Face. All right, thanks everybody.